Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Mariah and I make DIY videos. First things first, I would like to say thank you all so very much for your tremendous support. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Second, I would like to say if you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so as you can see from the title, today we will be making a Fenty Body Lava duplicate. It's a trend that's been going around lately and I'm going to show you guys how to make a DIY of the duplicate. So first things first, you will need Johnson's baby oil. You can use any highlighter. I got this from Walgreens. It's called Physicians Formula Rosé All Day Petal Glow. This is what it looks like. Also, I'm going to be using a funnel that I found at Kroger and a spoon to chop up the highlighter. Let's start off by taking the oil, and it should look like this. We're just gonna pop this top right off so the funnel can fit, and then it should look like this. Put that to the side, and then what I'm gonna do now is open the highlight and crush it all up. Let's move this so you guys can see. Just crush it all up like so. Okay, so when you're done crushing it up, this is what it should look like. Now what I'm going to do is take the funnel and put it like this inside of the baby oil, like so. Next, what I'm going to do is pour the highlight into the funnel. So here you guys go. Okay, as you can see, it's going inside. I'm gonna shake it a little, make sure it all goes in. Now what I'm going to do is put this top back on and put the pink top back on, and all you have to do now is shake it. Shake it until it looks evenly distributed. Perfect. And this is what it should look like when you are done. Now it's time for the results. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this DIY, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.